Hi guys, today I'm discussing very important topic here. Into Digital Rakesh channel, I'm asking for a lot of questions here. Now today we discuss about that. How will we get in the free domain and hosting? So suppose you are starting any business. Sir, I want to making a website. So which website is providing for free website, domain and hosting will be free. First of all, Google one of the product will be there. The product name will be called blogger.com. This is a completely will be free to making a site. N number of site you can create. See here, we can site will be creating for n number of website. This is the first website. After creating a website, it will be show for blogger.com. In a blogger.com is eligible for Google Ads. Is eligible for Google Ads. This is a complete for custom HTML website. Is a complete customized HTML website. Is a user friendly. You can edit and make the website 100% mobile friendly also. Next one, that will be called WordPress.com. In this WordPress, we can making for n number of website. Each website will be we have only 3 GB space. How many? 3 GB space. Now these are the website will be I'm creating in this. Only WordPress one drawback here. They will be showing only for 3 GB space. And once creating website, the free will be converted as a premium website. If you are blogger.com, the extension will be .blogspot.com. In a free WordPress, the extension will be free WordPress.com. And third website, prehost.com. So in this, I will open the website that is called here profreehost.com. In this, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL data, easy control panel, website builder, 100% free, no hidden cost, free subdomain, 99% 9 uptime, no forced ad. Just register and make a free website. And next one, the Google one, site.google.com. In this also you can making a website. Lot of themes are there. Use the themes and you make the website. Education, class, club, small business, work. These are the providing for Google free website. But the extension will be not showing for .com. The showing for something will be in the Google. That is will be showing for in a particular keyword name. And coming to the fourth website. So I'm just open here. The website is called website.com. Here template free and site builder. So how much it will be free? We can use your particular website will be free. This is up to will be given by the 50% domain hosting will be free option. And the last website is Jimdo website. Is a coming to pricing. We'll be creating for free website and premium. So here unlimited. Here is a price plan 0 per month. All basic feature gymdosite.com will be your complete extension will be given. So we'll be making will be here in the particular option. Total will be 6 sites. The complete information will be there blog. So what are the sites will be here? The 6 site will be providing for free domain and free hosting. Only extension will be changed. The all extension will be premium will be .com. This will be showing for .blogspot.com, .wordpress.com, .jimdo.com. It will be UBC for YouTube. They will give the some extension will be there. This will be googlesite.com. These all will be give extension will be change. Remain all will be same into the making a website. You can make the website and promote your business by using for free domain and free hosting. For the any issues, and next video I can prepare how we can make the website using this website. I'll prepare the next video option. If any doubts about the website creation, ask me for our YouTube comment box and our website chat box also will be available.